What's going on everyone, over here, and today I am going to be showing you guys how to make one of these. Yes, one of these. And it sounds like this, so I'm not going to be talking for this because it's loud, so yeah, here we go. Okay, so it should sound like that. So what you're going to need is any kind of block. So I'm using a block of diamond. Sorry about the ads. Chouse and something like that. So you said something like that, sand, and then a redstone dust, a redstone lamp, redstone torch, redstone repeater, note block, a ladder, and a lever. Okay, so I'm gonna want to start with this and go up 9. 1, 2, 3. Hang on. See you guys. I will see you guys. I can't do this. Hang on. Yeah, can you get it? Hang on. I did it to it's not night. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, since it's 9, you're gonna go out 1, 6. Wait. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, 9. Nine. I don't care if it's alright, I'm still gonna do it. So you're gonna want to do 9 up and then 6 out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, okay. It will be 6 you go up, and then you're gonna want to get this. You're gonna go up 1, 2, come over here, break that. You're gonna want to get your redstone torch, put them like that. Get your redstone repeater, put them right there. Okay, so then you're gonna want to get your redstone dust, put it like that. Go until right there, then do that, and once it starts flashing, that should be normal. And then you're gonna want to get your lever, place it down, turn it off, come and get the note blocks. Wait, no, you're gonna want to get your redstone lamp, put it down right there. And then your note block 1, just put 3, 2, 3, and do it to the 13th note. Hang on. Then you're gonna want to go to the 13th note. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Oh, hang on. 13, right there. Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, then you're going to want to come over here and turn on the lever. Oh, that's a problem. It's funny. See, there we go. Oh wait, no, it's not the right color. There we go. Should sound like that with both of them going off. Sounds weird. Here. See that? Oh no. Yeah, couldn't be too far. This is how they'll sound once you hear them. That is loud. Okay. Turn them off. I gotta go to bed. Let me go get a bed real quick. So this is gonna be like a little thing for a little bit. That's it. That's all I'm gonna do. Get out of my house. My house. My house. No, but please move. Okay, I'm gonna sleep. But I know it's barely 8. Now let's go hear them. Okay, got a great idea. How about we try making it out of diamond? Okay, 9 up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 1, 2, 6. Let's go 1, 2. Go like that. Break this one, undo that. I forgot to say on that over there. Let's put the other ones in there. The 2 redstone torches. Okay, so this down right here, the second before last. That's what you need to do. And then just come over here, do that. Once it starts blinking, like I said, that is natural. You got your lever, place it down, turn it off. I'm gonna come, redstone lamp, put that down, and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And while that's off, you can come in here. So look from way over here. Gotta build some. What the heck? Oh, the witch. What you doing here? Hey. What are you gonna do? You stay out. You Killing a witch. Killing a witch is so easy. Look. See that? I got all posted. So if you want to, look, I'm gonna build one just for you guys on top of my house. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 13th note. I'm just gonna do this real quick now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Oh, wait, no. I'm gonna keep this. Right here. I'm gonna go 1, 2. So then we come to redstone. Right here. Oh my gosh, guys. sirens are going off. Can I hear this? I'm on top of my house. Oh no, sirens. There's going to be like a trap door. So, let's dig down.
I'm talking to his wizard. Yeah. What I say to my friend's wizard is my business. Chat. Sorry.
So,
You just have to add your +6 water defense mage to the sword of light. What does that mean? Play the purple card.
so, come on.
And that's it. Melvin moves on to
Let's
the
go.
final round against the Rainmaker.
Now we have to get my trap door. So, I'm gonna have to put my trap door. You guys can hear. There's a tornado. The sirens are going off. Hurry up, get down. So, now, this side. I'm gonna be it for this video. Bye bye, guys. So, see you guys later. Bye bye.